Installation of Python. First, we will see how to install Python on Windows. Step 1. Download Python installer. Open your browser and go to the official Python website, that is www.python.org. Click on the Download Python button. You will see the latest version. The installer will be downloaded to your system. Step 2. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded file, usually in the Downloads folder. Double click the installer to run it. Before clicking Install Now, make sure check the box that says Add Python to Path. This makes it easier to run Python from the command line. Step 3. Install Python. Click Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete. Python and PIP Python's package manager will be installed. Once done, you will see a Setup Success screen. Click Close. Step 4. Verify installation. Open command prompt. Search for the command in the Start menu. Now type the following command and press enter. Python version. If Python is installed correctly, you will see the version number displayed. Next is the optional step, that is verify PIP. In the same command prompt, type PIP version. You should see the PIP version. This confirms that PIP was installed successfully. Now we will see how to install Python on Mac. Step 1. Check if the Python is pre-installed. Mac OS often comes with the Python 2.x pre-installed, but you will want Python 3.x. To check what version is installed, open terminal and type Python 3 version. If Python 3 is already installed, you will see the version number. If not, follow the next steps to install it. Install Homebrew if not already installed. Homebrew is a popular package manager for Mac OS. Open terminal, paste the following command and press enter. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Step 3. Install Python using Homebrew. Once Homebrew is installed, use it to install Python 3. Brew install Python. This will install latest version of Python 3 along with PIP. Step 4. Verify the installation. Once the installation is complete, check the version again. Python 3 version. You should now see the latest Python version installed. To verify PIP3 version. Step 5. Run Python. To run Python interpreter, just type Python 3. You will enter the Python shell where you type the Python commands directly.